Hakakhan nyaw tarik mentau julio. Kawai ni Seng Tremon Sobha jong kajat benreu Nepali. Kabal tep kum ka Akhil Shillong Nepali Mahila Samiti. Kala Rakhe ya kajing dap san posnam kanthi. Ngadu bal Seng ya ka bantrei na kabenta ka bha kamiat jong kajat benreu Nepali bat ka imlang salang. Ya kini kajing Rakhe la pelong hasusotham auditorium Shillong. Haka balai don langru MLA ka Shillong West Constituency uba polling do borolong kongsan hakani kajing lang. Kum kadak jong kajing sedang ya kini kajing Rakhe hakani kasngi. Las dang ya kajing lang da kajing thang ya ka syarang da kongsan ringkat ki wei de ki reu pakmat jong kani ka Seng. Pada hadian kini part layo ya ki kintin pediang sobha ya ki bala sakot sobha now president jong kani ka Seng. Lapan jong syet ya kini kajing Rakhe da kita masa ba per haloran san. Bakan thop ya kajing syat da kakan hon da Jubili na kala kendra Siliguri. Kijing le akai sket ki bala ai kerteng ka bhai tika bat ka ama baba. Nang ta kajing pot bisli bat hakani ka jelang. Lapan sengauru ya ka kai pot rekam jong kani ka Seng now secretary.
It is with a lot of pleasure that I stand to salute each of the members of the Mahila Samiti who have been part and parcel of the organization, and it is also interesting to learn that the protagonist, the man behind, the person behind the success of your Samiti was a man. We generally hear that behind every successful man there is a woman. Today we hear that behind a successful woman's organization was a man. So I think it is a tribute to men as a gender.